Okay, today I make another video for pure injection pump installation for the Cat 307, the engine 4032, the Mitsubishi. So let's look at the instruction. So the service manual, they recommend for this engine is we must be set the zero marking here, 230 setting on top end, 140 setting at the bottom. So this is the procedure. So the procedure set the piston of the number 1 cylinder at the top dead center on compression stroke. For this purpose, use cranking handle special to crank, okay, etc. So on. So here, the note is in here, zero position of the number 1 to 4 mark scale on the crankshaft pulley. In the case of 40F, 5, engrave line 0 of the crankshaft pulley, and in this case 43, another pointer is on the top of the crankshaft pulley, and in this pointer is used engrave 0 position of the 2 to 3 mark. Okay, so that's main. Okay, that's main. That's me in here on the point, on the damper pulley, on the flywheel damper pulley. So I will zoom a little bit here. In here. So this one, the right now is 140 position. So this 140 must be there at the bottom side. See, there is a pointer, one of the pointer here at the bottom, and another pointer is on top. Here, pointer here. So I have to turn the about 180 degree. Okay, mình thắt lại này, engine lên lại, đập bật lên lại,
open shot.
lấy ra đây lên lại, out shot, both shot. Here can now is coming. Mình nói cho lại, ôm một cho lại, này là đi nhiều. Lệ thật lệ. Em mà mi liền ngập vậy, khăn cái này. So now, can see this marking here. Yeah, this one the 2-3. You can see. So the 2-3. 2-3-0. Mà biến lại. Bỏ biến lại. Okay. Này giao đâu mà. Almost 0. Này, từ đây về, này. Okay. Yeah. So now the time is right here. Pointer, the upper pointer 230 and the lower pointer. Hey, no pointer. Here the pointer. This one there. One dash pull side, the 0. The lower bottom 1 pull. 1 for the bottom and upper must be the 2-3 at the 0 setting. So the procedure is like that. So I will continue for the setting for the pump. So on the other hand, have to check the number 1 TDC. This one the number 1 cylinder. The valve no touching here. Must be free play like that. And number 4 overlap. No free play. So to make sure I check it more for the number 2 inlet free and number 3 exhaust. Number 2 exhaust no free and number 3 inlet no free. So we have to set the valve position like that before we install the pump. In here 2-3 must be the 2-3 2-3-0. Okay, let's look at the pump here. So this is the pump, the tensile pump, 4 cylinder, inline pump. So as the according to the service manual, let's reference to the service manual. The service manual said line up the marking on the timing case with the nose in the injection pump gear. That means here the nose, only the 1 gear in here, and this nose in the injection pump gear and inside the same position with here timing case alignment mark. Here nose injection pump gear and timing case alignment mark. That means here this pointer and this nose must be same side like that. Should be like that. Should be like that. So we can install the pump like this position. Same position. Yeah, so at the pump we can see the number 3. This one the number 3. This number 3 is, we cannot confirm with this number 3 because the engine is like that. So we need to, if without the cover, can confirm with the number 3 mark. But right now I cannot confirm with the number 3 mark, but I can only confirm with the this mark. So we have to install like this position, like this position. Okay, so I will install this pump on the engine. So there is the 1 2 3 4 5 bolt plus the double pin. It's called the guide beam. Okay, so that's it. And on the pump, on the engine, like that. Okay, so we installed this pump. So on the other hand, let's see the instruction set mark here, and okay, in this position, number one, plunger start to inject. Okay, so we can confirm this is the right position to install the pump. So I make a mark here on the gear and inside. So we are trying. So after gear get in, this mark pass a little bit there. So about okay, let's say about 2 to 3 degrees. So this is the correct position. Yeah, tell her that.
No. Say no.
So now I will crank the engine without install the engine because the inside is a little dirty. Okay, start.
Oh.
Battery is low. Need to charge.
Oh, wow, funny car.
Start. Okay, now all of the injector have been installed and continue for air purging in the fuel system. Handbar is located on the fuel injection pump. Then it's right. Really piano na mo di ko na. So now still not hear the fuel return sound. It's like a jeet, but now so we need to pump more. So I can hear the fuel return. No, the pipe is short. So on the other hand, loose out the nozzle pipe and look at the fuel. Start. Oh. Now all of the fuel is coming out. So now reinstall the nozzle pipe. Pan and Taya. So this time we're trying to start the engine. Okay. Ome, start. Balik na naswe. Video after I test it.